On Wednesday the 12th of April 2023, Steve and I embarked on a 7-day trip on the Swamp Duck. We went up the Trent, along the Trent and Mersey Canal and to the Staffs and Worcester Canal. We did very well on our 7-day journey from a point of view of power supply. The only problem we had was that on the way up to Tixall Wide the weather wasn't particularly good, so we didn't get an awful lot from the solar panels. So when we got to Tixall Wide, I did use the generator for about 3 to 4 hours just to give the batteries a bit of a boost. The one thing I did discover was that the battery charger that I have on the boat isn't terribly efficient. I'm not surprised because it's a very, very old charger. In fact, it belonged to my father-in-law and he passed away many, many years ago. So it's a very, very old charger. So I thought it was time to invest in a new charger. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. I'm just going to swap the old charger for a brand new one. So this is the old battery charger. You can see it was made for Halfords and it's only a 4 amp charger, so it's not going to be all that powerful anyway. The one that I'm replacing it with is made for Next Peak and it's a 12 volt 24 volt smart automatic lead acid battery charger, and this is a 10 amp charger, and it is described as being okay for use in boats, and it has a trickle charge which the other one didn't really have at all, so it can be left on just to keep the batteries topped up. It also has a summer setting and winter setting, and it has a fan. Okay, I've fitted the new charger. You can see it takes up very little room here beside the batteries, and it's got an LCD display which tells you the temperature that it's operating at, which is currently 19 degrees C, and it's putting in 9.38 amps, and the voltage of the battery is at the moment is 13.8, so they're around about 60% full at the moment. By the look of it, it's just putting the last 40% in. So according to the instructions, because this is a 10 amp charger, it should be 30% quicker than the previous one. So that should make quite a difference. The good thing is that with the electricity system in the marina, I can switch this on and off at home. So if I know I'm going to go out on the boat, I can give it a quick boost on the batteries before I even arrive. So if I check that on my little voltmeter here, it's actually the batteries on the house batteries are doing 12.9 volts, and the temperature out here is 16.12. My next video will be published on Saturday the 29th of April 2023 at 8 AM and will be the second part of our 7-day spring adventure. Thank you very much for watching, and do take care.